हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू इज इलेक्ट्रिकल। सो आज के इस लेक्चर में अपन देखने वाले हैं ऑटो ट्रांसफार्मर पे कुछ न्यूमेरिकल्स जो कि प्रीवियस ईयर गेट एग्जामिनेशन और ईएससी एग्जामिनेशंस में आए हुए हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद आवर क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 दैट इज आस्क्ड इन गेट 2016 IISc Bangalore. The question stated that a single phase 2 kVA 100 by 200 volt transformer is reconnected as an auto transformer. Just to remember, reconnected as an auto transformer. Okay, such that its kVA rating is maximum. Okay, so we have to connect a two winding transformer as an auto transformer in such a way that kVA rating should be maximum. Okay, that is our additive polarity. That's simple. The new kVA rating is okay. Let's solve this. Question number 1. The given data is S rated for two winding transformer is 2 kVA. Okay, and now that let me just give me 2 minutes. Now let me draw a two winding transformer like this. This is our V1, that is our 100 volt, and this is our V2, that is 200 volt. This is our dot polarity, current entering, current getting out. Now I have to reconnect this two winding transformer in such a way that I'll get maximum kV rating in auto transformer. So we have to use additive polarity method. Okay, let's suppose. So first I will draw an auto transformer for additive polarity like this. Okay, now this should be minus plus minus plus like that, and in the output is, let's suppose for the for maximum polarity I will take as a output of 200 here. This is my VL, and input is what is the input, that this is 200 volt and this is by 100 volt. Then the input voltage is VH is 300 volt, right? So this is our auto transformer, that is our dot polarity here, and this is dot polarity here, right? Now this is our additive auto transformer. Now the A value of A auto, that is our VH upon VL. VH is 300 volt upon VL is 200 volt, right? This gives you 1.5. This is our turn ratio. Okay, now the KVA rating of auto transformer, that is equals to A auto upon A auto minus 1 multiply with KVA of two winding transformer. Okay, what is the value of A auto is 1.5 upon 1.5 minus 1 multiply by 2. This is 1.5 upon 0.5 into 2, that will give you 6 kVA. This is your final answer, right? Now what second question says, question number 2. Okay, the first question given, that is 6 kVA, right? Now second question, let's move to second question. Second question says a single phase 22 kVA. Okay, a single phase 222 kVA 2200 volt in the primary, 220 volt in secondary, 50 hertz that frequency distribution transformer is connected as an auto transformer. Okay, he already connected that transformer as an auto transformer to get output voltage is 2420. Okay, he is giving you output voltage VL, he is giving you. Okay, and its maximum kVA rating as an auto transformer. Okay, so what will be the maximum kVA rating as per given data for question number 2? Okay, let me just fold like that so you can see the questions also. Okay, the question number 2, given that S rated for 2-winding transformer is 22 kVA, right? Primary voltage is 2200 volt, secondary is 220 volt, and our output voltage is, that is our 2420 volt, right? So he is asking for a maximum kV rating of an auto transformer. Okay, so the maximum kV rating of the auto transformer is the same formula, that is S A auto, that A auto upon A auto minus 1 into S rated 2 winding, right? So now we have to find the value of A auto. Okay, so we have output voltage, right? So that output voltage we will take 2420 and we have to divide with input voltage, that is input voltage we will take as a primary voltage. Okay, because the A auto should be nearby 1 1.4 1.2 1.3 1.5 something, so we can get the maximum output. Okay, so that is 220 volt 220 100 volt, that is our input voltage, that will give you 1.1, right? Then 1.1 upon 1.1 minus 1 multiply with 22. Okay, this will give you 11 to 22 242 kV, right? And also we can we can connect as a auto transformer also, right? For check, let's suppose like this is our primary voltage 2200 volt. Okay, that is secondary 220 volt, right? And he is saying that our output voltage is like this. Okay, and this is our 2420 volt additive polarity, and if this is 220, that should be 220 volt. It will be like this. Okay, so this is the question number 2, answer C, asked by 2016 gate examinations. Okay, so that's all in this video. Next video will go through question number 3 and 4, and then the next further videos is question number 5 6 7 8. Okay, we'll cover these topics in almost 3 videos. Okay, so we will meet in next video. Thank you so much.